Like snort.
Stop playing with me.
My heart hurts. I gotta get this off my chest. My heart hurts in the worst possible way. You came first, but now we have to go our separate ways. Came back from work on a Friday, the shit was crazy. Long distance FaceTiming with the lady. Picked up the phone, what's up, I'm good, you good, I'm good, not much. But I noticed something was wrong. Can't even look me in the eyes. Got a tracker on your phone, I know that you've been telling lies. Got the passwords to your shit, I see you texting other guys. I got all the proof I need, so why even deny? Who'd you fuck? It's on my head, you have to tell me I can't give it up. No, I think about it every day. I cannot go to sleep. I need to save my heart hurts in the worst possible way. You came first, but now we have to go our separate ways. And then I went and took you back. My boy said I was crazy, that you'd do it again, and that you'd manipulate me. I didn't listen, thought that I knew better. Thought if I left that, I could never do better. First love, first time I'm sick. She got a spell on me. That girl's a fucking witch. She casted hell on me. I feel like I'm a bitch. This is a shell of me. Fool me once, shame on you. You fooled me twice, now I'm looking like a fool. My head hurts and I don't know what to do. I made a song to say my heart hurts